Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I will discuss again about Sideload IPA Files with Livecontainer. As you know, Livecontainer has been released with newer version that's supported with iOS 18.2. Livecontainer is an application that allows you to install IPA directly on your iPhone or iPad without limits and without revoke. But this Livecontainer only runs with Sidestore. So you need a Sidestore first to run this Livecontainer. The Livecontainer also doesn't require a certificate, so you just click on the IPA Files and run the app directly. So I will show you how to install Livecontainer on your iPhone or iPad, and it supports any iOS, including iOS 18.2. I want to try install Livecontainer on my device iPhone 14 Pro with iOS 18.2. Before that, you have to prepare your computer for installation, but you only need a computer once. Once installed, you will not need a computer again in the future. First, plug your device to computer with USB cable. Then go to Sidestore.io website. Then click Get Started. This Sidestore is supported for Windows and Mac. If you are using Mac, select the method for Mac. On this video, I will show the guide installation for Windows users. Download the requirement tools such as iCloud and iTunes. Install iTunes and iCloud first on your computer. After that, download AltStore. Then install AltStore on your computer. Holding Shift, click on the AltServer tray icon and select Sideload. If you still see Install AltStore, don't forget to holding Shift, click on the AltServer, and you will see Sideload the Sidestore IPA Files. Then go back to Sidestore website. Then click Download Sidestore.ipa files. After that, select Sidestore.ipa files to install it to your device. Then log into your Apple ID. After logging into your Apple ID, Sidestore will be installed on your device. Then verify Untrusted Developer Sidestore. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then trust the Sidestore app. Now, you are ready to open Sidestore. On the next step, you need to pairing file to run the Sidestore. Go back again to your computer. Then download Jitterbug Pair Tools on Sidestore website. Ensure your device connected to computer. Extract Jitterbug Pair file. Then run the Jitterbug Pair. Jitterbug Pair will then generate a pairing file. This pairing file will have the file extension mobile device pairing. Find the pairing file on your computer. Then send it to your iDevice via email, AirDrop, WhatsApp, or any transfer file. After that, go back again to your iDevice. Then select pairing file that you sent earlier on Files app from Sidestore. Then go to Settings section and log into your Apple ID. Then download the latest version of the Livecontainer. I will put the download link in the description. You cannot install Livecontainers with this Sidestore yet. Therefore, you need Wireguard config to sideload Livecontainers to your device. Download Wireguard on the App Store. Then, install. After that, don't forget to download the Wireguard config as well. Open Wireguard, then add the Wireguard config file that you downloaded earlier. Activate the Wireguard config Sidestore. Then, open the Sidestore app. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi before installing Livecontainer. And click the plus icon at the top. Then look for the Livecontainer you just downloaded to install it on your device. And wait a few moments until the Livecontainer is successfully installed. After that, open the Livecontainer. Then select the IPA file you want to run. I will try to install as many IPAs as possible, because with a Livecontainer you can install unlimited IPA files without limits. If the apps you installed can't be run, go to the Livecontainer settings section. Then click Sidestore Patch. Then you will be redirected to the Sidestore. And wait until the process is complete. Run the Livecontainer again. And now you can run any application with a Livecontainer without limit. As you can see, I managed to run all the IPA files that I put in the Livecontainer. The app runs without using any certificates without limits, with the help of Livecontainers. You can run as many IPA files as you want, and you only need a computer once to install Sidestore. After that, you don't need a computer anymore to run it in the future. And don't forget to refresh the Livecontainer in the Sidestore so that the Livecontainer doesn't expire. You can see my video for a more complete Sidestore tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Join our Telegram group if you need help. See you on the next video.